Hey everyone, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY. Thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about Bitcoin and some technical analysis. We're going to look at price action as well and what is possibly to come. Um, Hope you're having a great day today. It's pretty windy here in Nova Scotia. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. I've had some people from all over the world comment on a couple other videos, and it's pretty cool to see the reach that cryptocurrency has and kind of unites a lot of us from across the globe. Before we get into it though, please make sure you hit the like button on this video, you're subscribed to my channel, and let's get into it here. All right, so some key reasons why Bitcoin price has plummeted below the $41,000 mark. So Bitcoin just took a nosedive, and here's some of the key reasons. That Bitcoin price has started overheating after a big rally above the 40K level. So Bitcoin mining, some Bitcoin mining companies have decided to cash in some of their dips after their chips. Sorry, some of their chips, not their dips, after a recent high. This move suggests they're playing it safe, trying to lock in profits while dodging potential risks. So, obviously we have the Bitcoin halving coming up, which means basically that miners are going to get half of the rewards that they're getting now for mining, and it just makes sense for them to cash in some of their gains that they might have made over the last little while. Signaling the top or whatever, if that's what they're determining, that they're taking profits at, around the top before a pullback. Very smart for them. So that is what is happening. Over half Bitcoin out there was making money for holders as well. So that is also a scenario people are taking profits. All right, so let's go look at some technical analysis surrounding this. So how low can we see this possibly go? So the daily chart, the price has been blowing past resistance levels one by one. We have been accelerating the price at a fast pace. So today's action has been pretty bearish, as the day candle looks very bearish. The price has dropped around 10% before rebounding from the 40K support level. So if this holds, it could initiate a rebound, and the market might rally towards the next significant resistance level, which is located around the 48K mark. On the other hand, we could see a bearish breakdown. Call it a breakdown, could result in a drop to the 38K and potentially the 31K zone. Potentially that I can see the 38K. If we get down around the 31K zone, though, I can see like a massive sell off in altcoins because people are going to get scared. Um, you know, but we really have to, you hear that scenario all that, or that phrase all the time, when in doubt, zoom out, but it's 100% true. It's like, okay, yeah, I might have lost, a few $1,000s in my portfolio over the last, 24 to 48 hours. But when I zoom out, it's like, I'm still up so much because, I've been, dollar cost averaging and, buying dips and such. That's just my personal opinion. I like to be a bit of a bull, conservatively. But if you're smart and you're diversified, these dips don't hurt you as bad. Obviously do what's right for you. If you're a day trader, it'll be a different, outlook for you, but that's just my opinion and the way I sleep at night, right? So the 4-hour chart demonstrates today's decline a bit more clearly. Double top pattern is around the 44.5 mark and proceeds to plunge towards the 40K zone. The RSI is trending downwards below the 50% line, but is yet to reach oversold. Once we do hit the oversold territory, hopefully we'll, consolidate some and, bounce back up a bit. Another drop could be expected in the short term. We could potentially see, falling below support there. So I want to talk to you about the NUPL, which is behavior of major players, especially during the distribution and accumulation phases, often signals the beginning or end of bullish and bearish cycles. So the chart presented down below here is the NUPL. So it is the net unrealized profit and loss metric. So it represents the overall profit to loss ratio across all coins. So the metric has surged and entered the orange section due to a substantial increase in Bitcoin's price. So historically, when this happens, When it enters the orange region, it indicates a robust bull run, typically followed by fresh, solid bullish rallies. So, therefore, the market is anticipated to sustain an upward momentum in the long run. So, even if we're having a bit of a pullback now, that is common, in a bit of a bull market or bull runs as well. So, the orange region serves as a positive signal for market participants, suggesting favorable conditions for continued bullish trends. However, it's essential to remain vigilant and monitor market dynamics. So obviously, the overall macroeconomic factors within that are happening around the world also matter, and that takes into account as well. But that's what I have for you in this video. I just want to come to you and let you know what's going on with Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency market. It's a bit windy out here. So I'm going to sign off just before I lose power because it's getting pretty nasty out there. But that's what I got for you. Hopefully, you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one.